Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I will explain bumper ads. In my previous video, I explained YouTube ads types. In this video, I will explain bumper ads. So, what is the use of bumper ads? Main thing is it's a 6 seconds video. In the 6 seconds, you have to get customer attention. So, you have to show ad like that, and you have to attract the customers. Okay, let me explain. This is bumper ad. And duration is 6 seconds, and bidding type is CPM, cost per 1000 impressions. Okay, and main thing is when you are running this bumper ads, you have YouTube channel and already have uploaded that video. Main thing is that URL is required when you are running this campaign. Main thing you have to paste the your URL. And main thing is second point is targeting. Targeting is very important. So how we can target? One is demo location wise you can target. Second, demographics. Demographic means age, age and gender. Age and gender. So age I'm going for 25 to 45. 25 to 45, and gender male or female. Male or female. Male or female. Next, see audience I also can target. Next, audience. Next, keywords, related keywords wise you can target. Next, topics, related industry topics you can select. And is placements. So main thing is when you are running in campaign, so you have to run different campaigns for like target wise you can run different campaigns. So I'm running for bumper ad for a target for placement one campaign, topics one campaign, keywords one campaign, audience one campaign, like that. Even demographic and location also I'll run one campaign. Let's see the which campaign performs better. According to you can plan. Okay, let's start practical. So this is a Google dashboard. Just I click new campaign. So I'm running for bumper ads. So for branding, for I'm selecting branding this one. I'm running branding and I will reach. In this video I'm running for bumper now video ads. I'm select this video. So you can see the option here bumper. Just select this option. Just continue. See bumper, get efficient impressions and reach with bumper ads. And this all I will explain next video, like skippable, non-skippable, outstream, ad sequence and outstream. I'll create separate videos. Now I'm creating for bumper ads. I've selected this bumper. Just click continue. So once click continue, go back. One sec. Yeah, continue. Here you have to give the bumper ad for Bangalore. I'll give Bangalore location. I'll give next. See, but bidding strategies by default YouTube is taking CPM, cost per 1000 impressions. So you can read this all whatever the Google helps section. You can read this one also. By default CPM 1000 impressions. Next, budget and details. So what is the campaign total? I'm putting for 500 rupees. Okay, and you can mention when is the start date and date. I didn't mention start date and I don't want to mention the end date, so I'll go back, go down, and even select the networks. So where you are going to show your ad, YouTube search results it's not showing. So YouTube ads and YouTube partners on the display networks. So Google Display Partner website will show. Okay, so if you want, you can uncheck, other you can make it. Leave it like that. Next come languages. So go for English, and if you want to add, you can add one more language also. And location main, I'm targeting for Bangalore location. So if you are looking any specific location also, you can target even location and radius wise. You can target from this option, advanced search. Okay. Next, standard inventory. Select an inventory type. Show your ads to the content that writes that of your brand. So expanded inventory, standard inventory, limited inventory. Leave it like this. I don't want to select anything. Even exclude types and labels. So if you want to exclude like embedded videos, live streaming videos, gaming inactive, so you can select this. Otherwise, leave it like this. And additional settings, just click here. So yeah, this is a conversion. When running, if you want to make see how it's running campaigns, and you have to check the conversions, you can add this conversion. Next, devices. So where you're going to show devices, if you want to specific devices like mobile phone, tablets, you can set it like show all devices. Next, frequency capping is very important. So how many times, let how many times that adds to show this same user, like how many times per day, how many you want to show, 5 times you can make it 5 times, or 10 times also you can make it, just to select this. Next, and add schedule. So how many days you want to share, all days or weekends, and timings also you can mention. I don't want to select anything. I'll come back and just give the video bumper ad. So I given the ad group name. Next, here targeting I told is very important. Now come demographics. So I don't want to show unknown people, and I mentioned 25 to 45 in this. I don't show this even unknown, so I don't pick, and just leave it. And you can even target household income wise also you can target. Next, audience. I told you this is very important, audience. So one is search base related your industry. You have to search and you select the audience. Next, ideas found like any particular related industry, showing a SEO, SEM survey, sub design, and even one, this is very important. Browse, see what their interest habits are, related habits and interest you can select, and what they are actively researching for planning in market, life events, and custom intent. This is very important. You can select this option. Uh, like in market audience, you select related your category. Suppose if your computer peripherals, you select this option. Consumer, and you can select this. Either you're running any beauty parallel, you select this option. If you're have any baby and children product, you select this option. And one more option is new custom intent audience. This is also very important. You new customers. So and you can select system size. Suppose I'm searching for SEO. I'll go for SEO and create. You can, if you advertise with Google partners, where ad will be shown to people with interest purchase to the site. So you can create like this. I don't want to select this one. So main thing, you can select related even industry. I don't want to. I'm not selecting anything. Just come down, and even keywords. What keywords you are targeting related? Suppose digital marketing. Sorry, I have to give URL here. Here I have to give the keywords. Digital marketing. I select. So it will give some suggestions of keywords. So you can select the keywords. People who are searching in YouTube related keywords, your bumper ad will appear there. Okay. Next, topics. If you want to specific any topics related university, you can select this. Next, placements is very important. So if you want to show your ad any particular YouTube videos, you can select this. Suppose digital marketing is there. So when you're looking any digital marketing videos, that time I want to show my bumper ad. So that time you can select the specific videos also. So like that you can select any specific video. When they are watching these videos, so your bumper ad will appear here. Okay. I'm not selecting anything. And what is the CPM bid? I'm going to spend 10 rupees. Next, come down. And here you have to give the your YouTube link. So I don't have any 6 seconds video. I will take example of some one bumper ads Coca-Cola's. So I will show this one for demo purpose. I am taking this one. Just I'll enter. See how it's showing like this. And you have to give the final URL of here. So just I'm demo purpose. I took Coca-Cola. So okay, here Coca-Cola. And where you have to show this one display URL and what is the call to action and example call to action and you have to give and one more auto generate using videos from your channel recommended. So it's showing by default. Otherwise, if you want to add, if you want to upload image, you can upload and ad name you have to give bumper ad. Okay, and how our ad will show on YouTube showing like this and Google video partner sites our ad showing like this. So mobile and desktop. So like that you have to add bidding and main thing is here targeting is very important for keywords. You can target one campaign audience, you make one campaign for bumper ads and placements you run for one campaign and topics you run for one campaign. Let's see which one performing and which one is giving best results. According to you can plan and run the campaign. So I have selected for demo purpose I took Coca-Cola and even I took for Coca-Cola websites. Just I click create a campaign. So I have to select the end date also. So till the 30th I'll run. Let's see how many impressions I will get. You can observe here. So I will get 230 million. I mean 230 M. I am getting that impressions. Okay. Just click now. Create a campaign. So congratulations, your campaign is ready. So I took ad group 1 and ads 1 and started 25th, 30th campaign type brand awareness and reach. So this is a bumper ad and bidding charges CPM cost for thousands. Like that you have to create a campaign and congratulations campaign is ready. So please guys subscribe my channel. In future you will get more videos. Okay, thank you so much.